Hello friends, the marginal model need in questions and in negatives, it is marginal model and it means necessity and it has an extended meaning advice. And negative, the Americans prefer don't have to. And further you should know it is also a main verb, and as a main verb or a regular verb, it functions just like any other main verb or regular verb. And then the meaning is necessity. Same meaning, necessity. The sense that you have got different options. That's the thing. Understand that? You need not always stick on to the use of need as a marginal model, but you can also use it as you have got an option as a main verb. So today you have got exercise. The last class we had the explanation, or you can call it the bigger word, theory part of it. Today you have the practical, that is an exercise. You have to say, there are a set of 15 sentences as usual. We are always doing it in sets of 15. And need has been used in different meanings or different sentences. What you have to say is that you have to identify the use and the meaning. That is the exercise. Now you begin like this, you can see. First one is, you need to meet the principle now. So you can see this one, you need, and then afterwards you have an infinitival complement. So that means it is used as a main verb, meaning necessity. So here we can say main verb, MV. MV means main verb. It's a main verb and its meaning is necessity. Second one, need I see you again? It's a marginal model, meaning is necessity. So you can say marginal, because it is a question. Marginal model. Why is it marginal model? We have seen, because it can be a main verb also. Got the point? Yes. Now third sentence, you needn't submit the papers. Negative. So there is absence of necessity. You needn't. Negative. So there also it is it is a marginal model. Next, you don't have to hire a taxi. The American way of negating need. Americans, they don't want to say, you needn't hire a taxi. The British way of saying this will be, you needn't hire a taxi. But the Americans say, you don't have to hire a taxi. See, that is, we can say, used as a main verb and it is necessity. So there you can see it is main verb. Now you can convert this into British English. How will you do that? You needn't hire a taxi. So if you write like this, I will write it for you here, so that you needn't hire a taxi. So that will be British English, and this will be American. This is American English. We need to repair the building. So we need, then from here you have got an infinitival phrase. Therefore we can say as a complement, so it necessity and it is main verb. No doubt. Okay. So it is main verb. Okay. And then, need I talk to her tomorrow? Need I take question? Need I talk? So that is marginal model. Isn't it? Marginal model in questions. You are exhausted. You need to take rest. Extended meaning. Advice. You are exhausted. You need to take rest. So that is, meaning here is advice. And also that is extended meaning. So that is advice. And next 8. You needn't work there. A marginal model. Negative. Marginal model. Isn't it? And negative. Need we repair the building? Need we repair the building? Question. So that's again marginal model. Alright? Yes. You don't have to pluck all the mangoes. American. You don't have to plug all the marginal. So that is American. American use. In British use will be you needn't pluck all the mangoes. You needn't pluck all the mangoes, that will be the American English. Clear? Alright? Need we repair. You don't have to. Need I apologize? I haven't done anything wrong. Need I apologize? So that is question used as marginal model. So you can say this, need I apologize, marginal model, MM. For short it is MM. You don't have to travel by train. American. Negative American. English will say, you needn't travel by train. This American, you don't have to. That you can both are perfectly alright and correct. It all depends which one you like to use. So that's option there. And that is the beauty of English. And then you needn't have to travel by train. We needn't climb that steep rock. We needn't climb. That's again marginal model. Isn't it? We needn't climb. Marginal model. You don't have to American. That is American. American. We needn't. Tell him he needn't come here again. He needn't come. So that is negative marginal model. Marginal model. And last one is, need we repeat the whole exercise? Question, and so it is marginal model. So all the various uses we have seen. Basic meaning is necessity in questions and in negatives. Understand? As a model, as a main word, you can use here without any difficulty. Then it will be like any other word, that's all. Like he needs, you have to say. Understand? He needs. So that is the point. And then you have got another one. Americans like to say, don't have to. Don't have to. So this advice also is. Extended meaning of need is advice. So I think that now it is clear to you. No further problem for you. Everything is clear. So that we can pass on to the next lesson tomorrow or in the near future. But before that, break the chain. Crush Corona. Let this be our slogan. Bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life.